Good morning.
Good morning.
Maganda yung langit ngayon, maaraw. Pagsampay tayo ng maayos. Hold this. Cut. Purple. Gusto niya laging bumabunot nito eh. Kasama mamulubi si daddy sa inyo na. Nakakalima ka niyan sa isang araw. Takaw mo naman. Yummy ba yan? Yummy? Welcome back.
Daddy, go.
Warden. Okay na si Warden, mga kosa. Magaling na si Warden eh. Kaya buhay mayores na ulit tayo. Mga ballers. Basketball tayo dito sa likod ng bahay. Ay, sarap.
The reason why certain people turn to philosophy, why I became a philosopher, was that since I was a little boy, I always felt that existence as such was weird. I mean, here we are. And isn't that odd? Of course it's odd. What do you mean by odd? Well, that's what's different from even. I mean, what's odd stands out. What's even lies flat. But you can't see the outstanding without the flat background. Here's the thing standing out. It's odd. Each one of you is odd. Strange, unique, particular, different.
Ballers, oh. Ballers. Pagod na, hindi pa naglalaro, oh.
Pinakamalakas.
Kumain. Ice, dito lang. Ice. Tago ka pa, ha. Kaya yung side. Later na. Anong basketball, mga kosa, maulan na. Wala nga naman paglaro.
No basketball?
No basketball. Raining.
Rain.
Bili ka na ng inuutos ko.
O yan, mga kosa. Yung warden nag-utos sa atin na lumabas ng Selda para may bilihin. Kasama ko yung bastonero natin. Laging kasama yan, bastonero natin. Pero na, wala yung pinapabili mo sa amin na egg pie. Pero may piyaya sa kahopya. Sana patawarin mo kami. Yung sa tindahan, sabi sa akin nung isang nagtitinda, ang gate ko daw kasi meron daw akong bayan. Run!